I met Maximilian first when I was a student at the High School of Art and Design in Geneva. Max and I met a few years after in Paris, talking about watches. And then he told to me about this project, doing something between us in collaboration. So for me it was the opportunity to really dive into the watches world and to know more about it. I'm very inspired by nature in my creation for my brand. So I wanted to keep this aspect of my creation, and I'm someone from the French Alps and I love winter. I love to do ski or hikes, for example. And so I wanted really to represent this idea of winter into the watches. So the idea was really to focus about diamonds, about this idea of white and blue colors. So I designed two watches, one inspired by the stalactite and one inspired more by the blizzard. I wanted to have this idea of movement in the design and the contrast between the blue, the white, and also the texture, the matte of the lapis, and the sparkle of the diamonds. You have to feel the cold and the frost when you wear the watch. The new thing was to use such a small space to create a full universe into the watch. And I really wanted to use this volume and to mix it with my designs as a jeweler. And so that's why all the stalactite and all the small pieces with diamonds are going through the dome, following the volume. And I think that was essential for me, to give more life into the design. For me, jewelry is about feeling, watches also, so it's always great if there is a dialogue like between the owner and its watch. And it brings you to winter, a winter storm, which I like.